Right, we've left Aberystwyth now. It just was having some battery, not issues. It ran out of battery, so note to self, don't put the internal battery in the GoPro, because the GoPro uses that first, and then it draws from the battery pack to charge the battery and not run the GoPro. So we've just stopped for a pee, and I've taken the internal battery out and it's running on battery pack now, so no problem. So I just need to make sure I don't put the internal battery in. Anyway, we had a ships at Aberystwyth. It was 97 miles to get to Aberystwyth. Bloody brilliant route. And now we're heading back via Tregaron and Llyn Brianne. And the sun is shining. And I've got my summer gloves on. No liners. Looks like we're chasing down a 125cc rider. And it looks like a low rider. Not a flow rider. Off-roaders, awesome! Woohoo! Off-roaders! Get in there, boys! Awesome! Off-roading! Okay, we're in Tregaron now. Really looking forward to see how the new wind jacket is coping with this awesome speed of 40-45 miles an hour. Hopefully it'll be okay. Doesn't seem to be a great deal here, but apparently it's got a leisure centre according to the signage. This is more like it, a nice little townage. Heading up into the big stuff now. Very nice. Again, this is all new to me. Got emergency stop there, boy. Proper Welsh wilderness to my left and right now, and ahead. Really, really nice. We're heading off to the loneliest post box now. I have been past this one before when I did the coast to coast. This is on day 3, heading for the Doithy Valley and Llandovery. And there she blows. I came down from behind me. Stop and get a quick photo. Yeah, on the coast to coast, I came from down that way, heading that way. Yeah, loneliest phone box and post box in the UK, I think this one is. Right, we're leaving the loneliest post box and telephone box in Wales at Nant-y-moch, and we're following Justin again. Justin is the knowledge. Right then. This is something else. This is really, really good. This is nice and steep. Oh, get the knee down, Andy boy. Yes. Right, we're coming back into Powys from Ceredigion. Alright boys, we're in Powys now from Ceredigion. Tidy. Right, Llandovery, 20 miles. Alright boys, how's it going then? Enfield guys? Right, I think this is Llyn Brianne, yeah? Reservoir, Llyn Brianne. Now that's not bad, is it? Right, it's a picnic site. We're going to get a photograph of the bikes overlooking something over Llyn Brianne. Wow, how cool is that? Whoop. Wow, that is bloody good. Hey up, what's going on here then, Andy boy? I think we've had an incident. You okay?
On the bend, didn't he?
Sorry?
Too quick round the bend.
Yeah. Yeah. Incident on the bend, bike down, car involved, young lads. Heading up to the dam now. There might be a coffee cart round here. There it is. Nice. Pile up a load of rocks, you got yourself a dam. Just stopped at Llyn Brianne. Never been here before. Justin knows all the photographic spots. We've taken more pictures of these buddy bikes. So we're heading off down there. Doithy Valley is over that away. That's a nice dam. Just pile up a load of rocks and you got yourself a dam. It'd been quite something to see that splashing over. Oh, mind me pink thing. Excellent. There's the bikes. Oh, that's me farting. Right then, I think we're going to go and grab see if the coffee cart does a coffee. It's my round. Right, in a bit. Right, got a coffee at Llyn Brianne. Chatting to a nice lad who wants to get a motorbike. Right, we're going to take another picture now. Just at the top there, we can get a picture with the bikes and with the dam in the background. We've got so many pictures of these bloody bikes. But Justin knows all the spots, all the good places to get pickies. Right, I think this will be the final photo call of the day. Got so, oh wow, that looks cool. Yeah, I've got so many pickies. Really nice pickies there. Ah, that's looking down at the dam, just a load of rocks piled up. There we go. Information stone, Llyn Brianne. Try and get them nose to tail. Right, Llyn Brianne opened in 1997. So modern people just piled up stones. If it was the Victorians, it'd have been a beautiful structure. They did that because they could. Right. I'm guessing that was the last photo of the day, Justin.
Yeah, we'll go back to yeah, stop in Llandovery now as we go and get some petrol and then make our way back.
Okay, Llandovery or bust. So we're off the mountains now, ready for Llandovery. You can see ahead, Black Mountain. That's a really nice place. There's only one main road over that. They called it the Top Gear Road, and we'll save that for another day, another adventure. Right, this is us coming into Llandovery now. Go and find a garage, top up, and then head back. Right, we've gassed up. We're leaving Llandovery now, heading back to Hereford, through Hay and Wye. We'll get to Breadwoodine and then I'll peel off and Justin will go straight on. So I'm not going to do any more videoing now until we've got, well, I'm just going to video coming through Llandovery and then that'll be it. All the bikers coming from our right, they'll have been to the Owl's Nest Biker Cafe. Got a bit of recognition from the bikers at the cafe on the corner. Llandovery Castle up there. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, was Llandovery. Right, I've turned off now. We're at Bredwardine, just gone over the Bredwardine Bridge. Justin's gone straight on to Hereford. What an epic, brilliant ride that was. Thank you, Justin. Bloody ace. Right, Hereford. Right then, here we are, back at Jackie's. Bloody hell, my shoulders are bloody killing. Right then, there we go folks, I've just pulled in and my shoulders are absolutely killing. They have been for since before Brecon on the way back, and my legs, because I've been sat so long. Bloody hell, what an absolutely superb day. Justin, cracking route. Yeah, really enjoyed that. I've been looking forward to that one for a long time, because there was a lot of places I did know, but there's quite a few places I didn't know, so yeah, really good. Glad I had my my bag of chips, or my tray of chips at Aberystwyth. That's all I wanted to do since I bought the bike. Ride over to Aberystwyth via the route Justin took through Llyn Valley, grab some chips and come back. So yeah, total 201 earth miles, and I feel it as well. It's really nice when we got to Aberystwyth on the seafront, because you can park the bikes for free. All the guys on the normal bikes showed a lot of interest in mine and Justin's Cubs, which was nice. So yeah, that's it. Just bloody ace day. I'm impressed with my centrally mounted keeping things in basket. That was really handy. I need to remember when I'm using the GoPro 12 not to put the battery inside it, because it draws from the internal battery first and then starts recharging the battery with the power cable, with the external power pack, and that's not good. So I just need to take the battery out of the GoPro 12 and run it from the power pack. Problem sorted. Right, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, share the love, drop a comment. Until the next random content, which is going to be tomorrow, the feckin' Harris fun ride over at Garnston with Jackie. In a bit, peeps.